Today we'll talk about a very common form of advertising and one of my preferable monetization solution, native ad. To answer that, we need to look a bit back, as for a long time now, publishers and advertisers have seen a decline in user engagement with display banner ads, the regular ads that you see on site. Users stopped seeing and reacting to those ad units, and click-through rates went down. Now publishers and advertisers did try other ad units, more aggressive ones such as pop-ups and plasma banners, which did have a better CTR but had a side effect of affecting the user experience. Too much of these types of ads contribute to the expansions of ad blocking. Now users didn't want to see these very intrusive ads, and what we saw also in the industry that the mass use of ad blocking was causes also from this very intrusive and bad user experience. So clearly there was a need for a new solution to enable brands to engage with their users and to create an ad experience where the user would get an additional value and would want to really click on and engage with ads, and where publishers would gain control on their ability to monetize effectively. The problem of ad blindness kind of sparked an ad tech evolution, creating ad units which answer two main needs: better CTR and better user experience. Enter native ads. So when we talk about native ads in the industry, we are talking about ads that match the form and style of its host site. The word native refers to it matching the look, feel, and style of the platform where they are being hosted. A clear example of this kind of native ads appear on social platforms such as Facebook promoted stories or Twitter promoted tweets. In both cases, the ads have a unique form which match and integrate seamlessly within the platform. With this kind of ads, Facebook and Twitter achieve high CTR engagement of users without hurting the user experience. So another example are ads that placed by Google, for example, in search engine results page, which again have the same look and feel of the actual search results, but they are actually ads. And another very popular type of native ads is the recommendation widgets. These are when you are seeing additional content boxes with headlines such as "you might also like" or "recommended for you." These ads contain sponsored content, and other sites also keep the look and feel of the sites both on desktop and mobile. Native ads sharing the same look and feel is only really half the battle. The other half is ad relevance. What could be a big advantage of the ads is the relevancy to the user based on data that could really indicate a specific user intent. Now, a user intent is a very broad term and could be based on multiple factors. For example, search conducted by the user, browsing history, the article, what they are currently reading on page, the location of the user, and so on and so on. If we use it wisely, we could definitely serve more relevant native ads for the user and definitely improve the performance of the ads. For example, a recommendation widget would work much better if it actually would recommend relevant content to the user. Another great example from my experience here at CodeFuel is when native ads are based on keyword search by the user and provide a really excellent targeting for the ads. The good reception of native ads are also backed by numbers. From the last eMarketer survey, native advertising was ranked first among the formats that have the potential to generate more revenues for the publishers. This is according to UK and US publishers. It beats video, mobile display, and other formats. The main benefits of native ads are the ones that include less intrusive ads and have better interaction with the users. It's also interesting to look at the customer side, the users that surf on site, which also has good indication for native advertising. This survey found that the preferred type of ads, according to US millennials internet users, is native advertising. 58% prefer native advertising, comparing, for example, for banners that have only 21% of reception. Other benefits of native advertising is the prevention of ad blocking. I believe that in the long term, native ads, unlike, for example, intrusive and aggressive advertising that we just mentioned, will have a good effect on ad blocking use in the eyes of publishers and advertisers. When you provide a good user experience together with relevancy, there's less need to block the ads, so definitely something for you publisher to keep in mind. So with all this in mind, my top priority at CodeFuel is to really focus on intent-based native advertising, which benefit both the publisher, advertiser, and the users. Our engagement products implemented within the publisher page are able to firstly capture the intent of the user. It could be the search they conducted on site. It could be the context of the articles. All these factors can give us intent of the user and help us to better target and offer relevant ads for the users. The ads on our products are all natively designed, and this combination of data-driven ads with native look offer a smooth user experience and better results for our advertiser publishers and of course to the benefit of our users. Now it also answers publisher needs, keeping user on site for longer and offers incremental revenue opportunity for the publishers. So just to quickly summarize, we talked about a common form of advertising, the native ads. The problem they're trying to solve where display banners don't perform well, while aggressive ads damage the user experience. Native ads combine two main parts, their format that matches the look and feel of the website and their content which is relevant for the users. Using native ads can serve two main purposes, better performance and great user experience.